The Frigidaire washer E35 error code is an indication of a communication error between the user interface control and the motor control unit. This error can occur due to faulty wiring, a malfunctioning user interface control, or a problem with the motor control unit. To understand the E35 error code, it is essential to know the key components involved in the communication process. The user interface control is responsible for sending commands to the motor control unit, which then executes the commands to perform various wash cycles. If the communication between these two components is disrupted, the E35 error code will be displayed. There are several reasons why the E35 error code may occur. One of the primary reasons is faulty wiring between the user interface control and the motor control unit. Over time, the wires can become damaged or corroded, disrupting the communication between the two components. Another reason for the E35 error code is a malfunctioning user interface control or motor control unit. If either of these components is faulty, it can prevent the washer from functioning correctly. To fix the E35 error code, it is essential to follow a step-by-step approach. First, check the wiring between the user interface control and the motor control unit for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the wiring is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Next, check the user interface control and the motor control unit for any signs of malfunction. If either of these components is faulty, it may need to be replaced. In some cases, the E35 error code can be resolved by simply resetting the washer. This can be done by unplugging the washer from the power outlet and plugging it back in after a few minutes. If the error code persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the problem. Best practices for preventing the E35 error code include regularly checking the wiring and components for any signs of damage or wear. It is also essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions for maintenance and repair to ensure the washer continues to function correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the Frigidaire washer E35 error code and get your washer up and running again.